Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure repeat clients with Dribbble, full guide step by step clearly. Building a strong portfolio on Dribbble is the first step to securing repeat clients. Begin by showcasing your best work. Select projects that highlight your skills and creativity effectively. Keep your presentations clean and visually appealing. Next, engage with the Dribbble community. Leave thoughtful comments on other designers' work. This action helps to build connections and increase your visibility. Participate in design challenges regularly. Such activities can attract potential clients to your profile. Now, make your profile stand out. Craft a professional bio that reflects your personality and expertise. Include links to your website and social media. This allows clients to learn more about you and your work. It's also essential to maintain consistent branding across platforms. Align your style on Dribbble with your overall brand identity. Keeping your work style cohesive makes it easier for clients to remember you. Next, offer value to potential clients. Consider sharing design tips or insights through your posts. This establishes you as an expert and encourages trust. When you receive inquiries, respond promptly. Timely communication reassures clients of your reliability. After completing projects, follow up with your clients. This can include asking for feedback or potential future collaborations. Show appreciation for their business during interactions. Clients are more likely to return if they feel valued. Additionally, maintain an active presence on the platform. Regularly update your profile with new projects. This keeps you on clients' radars and showcases your evolving skills. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.